Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of Helium 10, its features, pricing and most importantly the Helium 10 promo code you can use to save on your subscription. If you're looking for a tool to help you find top-selling Amazon products with a high profit margins, you're in the right place. And if you want to jump straight to the promo codes, check the links in the description. Use Freedom Pass 10 to get 10% off for life, or Freedom Pass 20 for 20% off your first 6 months. These Helium 10 promo codes are exclusive to Freedom Pass. Helium 10 is one of the leading tools for optimizing Amazon listings and increasing sales. It's especially known for its powerful product research capabilities, giving you access to a database of over 450 million products. But it's not just about finding new products, it also helps improve the visibility of your current listings, which can directly increase your conversions and profits. One of Helium 10's standout tools is called Cerebro. It's a powerful reverse ASIN keyword research tool. It lets you uncover the exact keywords your competitors are ranking for by analysing any Amazon product. With Cerebro, you can gain deep insights into search volume, keyword competitiveness, and trends, making it easier to target high-value keywords and outperform similar listings. Now, let's look at the pricing. Helium 10 offers 3 main plans. The starter plan gives you access to some basic tools, including review insights, though it limits access to tools like Cerebro and Magnet. The platinum plan costs around $100 a month or $80 a month when billed annually. This plan includes access to tools like Magnet, and it's great for more in-depth product and keyword research. The most popular plan is the Diamond plan, which I personally use. It's priced at about $280 a month or $230 a month with annual billing. This plan gives you full access to everything Helium 10 has to offer, including advanced tools like keyword sales and AI power listing builder, which can seriously boost your conversions and reduce marketing costs. In my experience using Helium 10 for several of my businesses, the Platinum or Diamond plan has delivered the best value because of these powerful tools. That wraps it up for today. Just a reminder, use Freedom Pass 10 for 10% off for life or Freedom Pass 20 for 20% off for your first 6 months. You'll find all the links and Helium 10 promo codes in the description below. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.